drinking alcohol and a physical impairment that affects your ability to drive. While alcohol hijacks your brain to wreak havoc on your perception, decision-making, and motor skills, it also directly disturbs other crucial processes. Never forget that alcohol enters your bloodstream somehow. It can reach every tissue and essential organ in your body from here. Alcohol is poison to your body, so to speak. Any alcohol you ingest will be sent to your liver, where it can be processed as soon as biological processes will allow, to make it less hazardous. The resultant compounds are subsequently removed from your blood by your kidneys so that they can be excreted from your body as urine. Unfortunately, before your liver and kidneys can process the alcohol in your blood, your body will suffer some damage as a result. Additionally, the liver and kidneys themselves will suffer damage as a result of digesting the alcohol. This harm is frequently irreparable when alcohol is consumed frequently or excessively. The circulatory system and alcohol. The major elements of the circulatory system are your heart, blood arteries, and blood. Transporting water, oxygen, nutrients, and other essential compounds to various organs throughout the body is the responsibility of this system. It also functions as a system for transporting waste, gathering toxins and undesirable byproducts of biological activities that are prepared for excretion from the body. Your circulatory system won't function as it should due to alcohol use, leading to 1. Injury to heart tissue. All of your important organs are impacted when your heart muscle is unable to adequately pump blood throughout the body. Additionally, a damaged heart will handle fat in a less efficient manner, raising your risk of a heart attack. 2. Decrease blood pressure. Blood circulation will slow down if there is insufficient pressure. 3. A slow heartbeat. Your heart won't be able to circulate blood throughout your body as effectively if it beats less frequently. All over the body, these results result in tissues that are undernourished and underoxygenated. Additionally, toxic waste products that are typically eliminated from your body through blood may accumulate and impair organ function. Damage to your circulatory system increases your risk of developing chronic illnesses and disease. The respiratory system and alcohol. Every cell in the organism uses oxygen as fuel and exhales carbon dioxide as waste. In order for oxygen to reach cells and tissues, it must first enter the bloodstream through the respiratory system. Additionally, it removes carbon dioxide from the blood so that your body can release it by breathing. The most crucial organ in your respiratory system is your lungs, but it also depends on your nose, mouth, trachea, the tube that connects to your lungs, and diaphragm to work properly. Alcohol slows breathing, endangering the healthy operation of every organ, cell, and tissue in your body. As a result, less oxygen enters the atmosphere and less carbon dioxide leaves it. An organ cannot function effectively when it is severely depleted of oxygen, and it gradually starts to shut down. This could intensify the negative consequences of drunkenness on your liver and kidneys. The negative effects of alcohol intoxication worsen if your liver and kidneys are not receiving enough oxygen to effectively remove alcohol from the blood. The respiratory system is sufficiently compromised in cases of alcohol poisoning that persons have been known to stop breathing completely and pass away while they sleep. Other negative outcomes. Numerous other harmful or unpleasant short-term bodily effects of alcohol are frequently present. They consist of, but are not restricted to: 1. Migraines. Dehydration brought on by alcohol might result in severe headaches. This might happen while you're drunk or the day after if you're hungover. 2. Severe exhaustion, discomfort. When you have a hangover, the symptoms of true intoxication are absent, so you may feel the full repercussions of the harm the alcohol brought to your body. Sometimes, unpleasant hangovers can continue for a few days. 3. Poor liver performance. Impaired liver function might result from the stress your liver endures while processing alcohol. You will be more prone to illness and disease if your blood cannot effectively remove waste and pollutants. 4. Stomach discomforts. The protective lining of your stomach reacts to alcohol. Acid reflux, nausea, and vomiting may result from this. 5. Flaws in the skin. Because alcohol restricts blood flow, your skin cells could run out of oxygen or accumulate toxins. You could notice skin irritations, uneven skin tone, and acne flare-ups in the days after a drinking binge, putting your life and health in danger. As you can see, excessive alcohol use has the ability to lower your quality of life and drastically shorten your lifespan. Your body will eventually suffer the consequences if you drink excessively, frequently, or both. Sadly, if you decide to drink and drive, the best-case scenario would be a chronic ailment in later life brought on by excessive alcohol use. If you get behind the wheel while physically impaired by alcohol, you'll be lucky to make it to your destination alive.